I'm making a pickled grape salad. So I have a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and I have a small pan here that I've been heating over medium-low heat, and I'm going to toast my cumin seeds. And this is just something that will make the smell, the taste, everything from the cumin seeds come out. So you see how the seeds are toasting? Come, I'll show you. And now they're starting to gain a little bit of the brown. So because we are going to bite into these, I'm trying to break them. This is another one of those ingredients that I'm getting to know. I didn't used to cook with a lot of cumin until I moved to the US. And it turns out that many regions of Mexico, which I hadn't explored, do use a lot of cumin. Not very common in Mexico City, where I grew up, but oh my gosh, in the north of Mexico, it is prevalent. I'm going to zest a lime and zest an orange, and then we're gonna add the juice of the lime and the orange. And then we have the juice of the lime and the orange, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm whisking these. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of grapes. I have cotton candy grapes. Cotton candy grapes really do have a cotton candy taste, but it's like fresh and juicy. I keep trying to get 2 cups, but I'm eating half of them as I'm taking them off the stems. So I'm gonna cut them in half so that they will soak more of the pickling vinaigrette. And some of the juices of the grape will start mixing with that pickling vinaigrette too. Oh, this looks really pretty. This looks really pretty. I'm thinly slicing a serrano. I halved it, and I am leaving all of the seeds because yum. And they go. And then I'm gonna do half of an onion. So I'm slicing this celery thinly. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup cilantro and a 1/4 cup of mint. I can smell it too. We're gonna let this sit and macerate for a little bit.